Hello everyone, I'm Fazalath Hussain R, research scholar from commerce stream. So first of all, I want to present my heartfelt gratitude to the chairman and the entire team member of SSM Trust for their one of the best event to motivate the research scholar as well as for the academicians and awarding them to recognizing their prominent places and so motivation is very important in the field of academics. Hence I want to convey some my own feeling on motivation. So motivation is the key to academic success. Motivation is considered as a key to academic success. So motivation is just as the actor asks a director, what is my motivation for this scene? So the like that the students and all the children in school and colleges, so they turns to teachers, parents and peers to discover the why of learning. Okay, they always ask the teacher why it is, what it is. So like that they ask why of learning, why to learn. So motivation is often defined as a need or a drive that energizes behavior towards a goal. When a teacher, so they give the prominent answers, they uplift the students or the school childrens, then they get motivated and themselves they convert into a productive betterment for the society, even for the parents, teachers and a nation as a whole. So as the new school years begin and new college years begin, the most common problem that teachers and professors, teaching faculties or fraternity and parents face is lack of student motivation, is the lack of student motivation. So motivation can either come from within the student, so that we call it as an intrinsic motivation, or from outside, that is from the externalities, so we call it as a extrinsic motivation. So a student or a child who is intrinsically motivated performs a task because of the joy that comes from learning new materials. Like that a student or child who perform in school or college to gain parent approval or grades or awards is externally motivated. So he is externally motivated, as what the SSM trust has done, and they have motivated to the teaching fraternities. Yes, while research shows that those children or students with internal motivation may achieve greater success, okay, because it develops from their own inner sense. So therefore, they achieve much better. And teachers and parents often find that many children seek external reinforcement enforces also. That is external reinforces. So parents who ask question on that lead to more questions for a child are more successful in developing an intrinsic motivation. For example, a parent that gives a child a special toy as a reward for reading a lesson about how an airplane works and for completing the related homework, so that requires answer to questions about the parents of an aeroplane will stimulate less motivation than the parent who help a child discover how planes work by building a balsam plane and lifting the child practices flying it. So this parent can ask what changes the plane's flight pattern. The child can then experiment to discover and generate new questions and new discoveries. So asking questions will motivate the children or the students. So hence what to so that motivates the people also. So the same thing SSM has done the work, and they have motivated to the teacher fraternities and professors, research scholars, and academicians, the great job which they have done. So I'm very much thankful.